Hey guys, how you doing? Just a little update. So the 12-week challenge, the LSC 12, is on its way. Really going to be cool. It's going to be like no other year that I've ever done. We're going for it this year. So if you're the sort of person who can give a bit of commitment, a bit of self-discipline, someone who can go, look, no excuses, no. Bit of preparation, put in the time, the grind, the graft, and want a completely professional 12-week workout plan to stick to, male and female, that's going to be brutal. It's going to be incredibly hard, incredibly difficult. A diet plan that's going to be strict, no compromises, no excuses. The opportunity to train at one of the best gyms in the Southwest, if not the UK, Winners 2000, for 4 weeks, free of charge, as part of the package. To actually have some of the fundamental basics in terms of supplementation as part of the package. To have that expert supplement, nutritional, training, advice and backup to sound off as part of the package. This package is looking pretty good. Even I'm excited about this package. But this is for the die-hard, want to make that change. No matter what you do, you want to make that change. We are going all out gym memberships, get a PT, train with a friend, train with a group of friends, but be there, do it, day in, day out. You will have daily diets and daily training routines to perform. Now you can mix them around to suit your work and life, but don't hear any excuses. If you're on it, you're on it. Get ready, guys. It's gonna be a journey of your life. I'm so excited about this. I really am excited about this. Probably more so this year than ever before. So come in January, we're gonna start pushing the packages out there and letting people know a little bit more about them. Kind of December, mid-December time, and they'll be available. They should be available to get. We will get all the information emailed to you, so you can actually have it all to hand, all the diets, the training programs and things like that. So let us know if you're up for it. Let's get ready to do this. See you later.